Guys, so we're down here and we're gonna plant these onion sets.
We have them.
We started them already and then we decided to hurry up and make a quick video, but I'll show you what we did. So we got out our little what is that, Greenworks cultivator.
It's not really a tiller, but it's, you know.
And we plowed up this one row, and that's a pretty long row, and we've already started. We put the end stakes in, and then I always was taught to do a string method. Some people can go by eye, but I like the string method. Sort of keeps you in line better. And yep, so now he's planting. We made a furrow sort of with our finger, and then we're doing these. These were 4 inches apart because they're kind of large. And then as we go, and as the sets get smaller, then he's going to do, what are you doing, 3 inches now?
Well, it says 4 inches for big sets. Let me explain sets. When you grow onion from seed, and onions do make seeds, it's like a ball at the top when they go to seed. I've seen it. We had some seeds from last year. It's a biennial plant. So the seeds, anybody plants seeds, they grow into sets the first year. The second year you plant these sets, the sets grow bigger, and that's how an onion's formed.
Yes.
And this is a set, but they come in different sizes from large to small. And that depends. The small ones get 2 inches apart, medium maybe 3, and the large set's 4. I'm just averaging them out at 3 inches.
Oh, okay.
I get 3 inches. I have a unique way. I go from my fingertip to my knuckle. That's just about an inch. If I really want to estimate. That's how I started. Approximate. See? 3 inches. So I'm just keeping them all 3. If they're tiny, maybe I'll reduce it to 2 inches towards the end. And finish these if they'll go the whole row. There's a lot of onions.
I think we'll have a lot of onions. And then when we're all done making the rows, then we're going to cover them, you know, and then give them a little drink of water, huh?
See, now these are getting small, and I'll probably change it to 2 inches, see? So there'll be room for all of them. So here I go with a new measurement.
What kind of onions are these?
Have to look back to the...
Are they yellow or...
to the set. I'd have to guess at that.
Here we are. This is the
I don't know if that's...
Stuttgarter onion, but it's yellow.
My favorite's by Dahlia.
And I just got bit with a mosquito.
Yeah, like that.
Already.
It's only April 25th.
April 25th, and it's starting to get mosquito weather, which I hate those things.
The black flies are even worse. Now, when they're like this, I'm not sure I want to use that.
No, I wouldn't. If they're bad like that, I would, if they're already
small,
rotted.
so now I'm trying to go 2 inches at this point so that we can finish the row. Maybe it'll just work out.
Okay, guys, so that's all I wanted to show you in this video, how to plant onions in rows. And
about a ½ an inch deep. That's what it's called for.
yeah, so every pack would tell you exactly how to do it. So mine says onions are pressed into the soil, and you keep the top out.
Make sure you get good contact.
And then
with
you
that
plant
soil.
sets 4 inches apart in the row.
If they're big.
With 12 between rows.
12 inches.
And you have to have a sunny spot for them. So, yeah.
This spot gets full sun.
So every one of these has a instruction, so you don't get lost. This was $3.98 at Lowe's for 100 sets. So we'll have 100 onions if they all take.
That's good use of a garden.
All right, guys. We'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love yourself and others, and hit that bell.